change it to appear like there is some disrespect from me of the late Raila Amolo Odinga. The respect I had for Raila Odinga, and which I have no reason to withdraw even in death, everybody knows. I have worked with Baba probably the longest. And I started with Raila when I was 20 years old, in 1992. And no one forced me. I served Raila diligently, and that is why he chose to reward me. He rewarded me as assistant minister in his office. He made me the chairman of his party for 10 years. He made me minority leader 5 years. He also made me a minister. If it were not for Raila Odinga, today I would not be a minister. And I will tell you, even the chairman of Public Accounts Committee, it is him. So, the respect between me and Baba is well documented. It is known, and we respected each other, and I still respect him even in death. The only thing that I said, and I want to repeat, is if we want to maintain the legacy of Baba, then we must keep ODM strong and united. We must keep ODM strong and united. At the moment, we have leadership of ODM. And we chose Oburu not simply because he's Raila's brother. No. Oburu respected his brother. I still remember 1994, 1995, 1996 up to 97. All Nyanza leaders who were elected had abandoned Raila, except a few. I only remember of Tom Onyango, who was the MP for Nyatike. I remember Owina Chola, the MP for Migori that time. I remember the late Orojode. Those are the people who respected Raila and supported Raila. I still remember it was only Jobo Mino from Kisumu, and it was only Oburu Odinga from the entire Siaya who stood with his brother. Oburu Odinga has a wealth of experience. He could be old, but he's mentally smart. And there is nowhere that Raila sought advice without starting with Oburu Odinga. Even all the negotiations that Raila got into, it was Oburu Odinga who was always leading the way. And that is why we chose this Mzee to bring peace in our party, and to bring calm in the party, and to unite our community. Because the strength of the Luo community is in its unity. Anybody who is attempting to divide this community is the enemy of this community. And some of us who have led this community, I have led now as elected leader for well over 20 years, for going to 20 years. We are not going to allow anyone to divide our community in a way that we are going to lose our voice in the national debate.